Okay, let's see how to copy only the text and not the properties, not the color and so on. So this text is white and the other one is yellow. And if I go here and copy, let's say that word, copy, and if I paste it in, let's say there, not that one but this one, paste, then it is white. So it's not copying only the text, but it's copying also the formatting, the color and the size. Okay, Ctrl Z to undo it. To copy only the text, go to, let's say that one, Ctrl A to select all of it, Ctrl C to copy all of the text. Okay, now right click the start button and go to run. Type in Notepad and close it with OK. Now paste in here the text and copy it, and select it and copy it. Since Notepad is not remembering any formatting but only the text, now we can go, let's say, to the next text and paste it in, Ctrl V. And as you can see, it is yellow and it has black strokes, so it copied only the text and it maintained the current formatting. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.